Hey there, guys. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about is the Luminessence Apple Cinnamon Potpourri. Okay. Now, you know how sometimes certain things you like reminiscent of time or a certain place or being somewhere that you liked or didn't like. This smell of, okay, first of all, this is a really nice arrangement of potpourri. And for those of you that don't really know what potpourri is, it's a bag full of certain different types of vegetation that's in there that's colored in a certain color and gives off a certain kind of scent. And this one is apple cinnamon, and it smells so good. So how I usually use this is, well, not usually, I use it in different ways. Basically what I usually do is, I really like the way it looks, but if I have nothing to decorate this with, I will just, because the bag is kind of nice, what I usually do is I will take this bag and poke small holes in it, holes the size of maybe a pea on each, like all over it, on backside and just all over it, so everything stays inside the bag, but the fragrance comes out. And I will put this like anywhere in the cabinets, or behind the sofa, or underneath the sofa, or just behind somewhere where you don't really need to see it. Or I will just place it decoratively in like the corner or something in the kitchen or something like that, just to get the smell out, But another way that I do that is if I do have a place where I can like decorate it, meaning opening the bag and pouring it into, like, say, a basket, all of the contents, and decorating like an arrangement of acorns or something like that. I'll put that in there inside the basket and put it on my, any one of my end tables or coffee table or something. And I absolutely love this fragrance. It just makes me feel like I am back home in my parents' house in the summertime and everything is well. My mom used to use this all the time. It's a smell that's just really nice and relaxing. Smelling this while you're sitting back, say on the sofa or something, reading a good book in the nice summertime when it's like the peace and quiet and no hustle and bustle, and you're just relaxing, and you smell this. It's really a nice way to drift off into a nice, comfortable sleep. That's just how I feel about it. It's really, really a nice fragrance that makes you reminisce of really nice times where things are simple and the air is sweet. Yeah, a lot of times you can smell some stuff that will take you back to a time in your life where you almost feel like you're there when you smell certain fragrances. And this does that. It really has a nostalgia feeling to me. And I've been using this Luminessence, their fragrance, for probably about maybe 4 to 5 years now. Different ones. This one is the apple cinnamon, but I use several different ones. It just really smells good. It really does. My wife loves them too. She has her favorite and I have my favorites, so we'll switch up in the areas where we want certain things to smell a certain way, and just to have that compromise because It is what it is. This one is my favorite. Apple cinnamon is my favorite. I like it a lot. Like I said, it just makes me feel good. And having good smells always, puts you in a better mood. It makes you feel comfortable and relaxed, and it's just stimulating one of the senses that we all like. And anytime that sense is stimulated in a good way, you're gonna feel it. And Potpourri really does that, especially this Luminessence brand of it. Yeah, I like it a lot, and yeah, I'll continue to use it. I recommend it to everybody. All right, well, this is the Luminessence Apple Cinnamon Potpourri. Hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, bye-bye.